Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Perfect, children. Children, today in EVS, let's learn chapter 17 Weather and Seasons. Alright, children? So, children, today you just do the reading. Alright? See, children, weather and season. Yes, in this chapter, we'll understand the different types of weather and different seasons. Yes, children. So, children, first let me tell you, what do you understand by weather? See, children, weather means the state of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called the weather. Or you can say that weather refers to day-to-day temperature. Weather is what is going outside right now in regards to temperature and precipitation. Yes, children. See, children, weather may be hot, windy, cloudy, stormy, or rainy. Now, children, let's understand about seasons. Yes, children, season is a weather-based subdivision of the year. Remember one thing, one type of weather remains the same for many days. Alright, children. Now, children, let's read page number 101. Alright. So, children, the state of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called the weather. The weather may be hot, cold, windy, cloudy, or rainy. These changes are caused by the sun, wind, cloud, and rain. See, children, when we talk about season, when one type of weather remains the same for many days, we called it the season. Yes, we called it season. In our country, there are 5 seasons in a year, namely summer, rainy, yes, winter, spring, and autumn season. Yes, children. So, children, spring season. Let's learn and understand about spring season. The weather in this season is very pleasant. Yes, children. In this season, the weather is very pleasant. And also, this season, yes, spring season is a season of new beginnings also. Yes. The weather in this season is very pleasant, neither too hot nor too cold. Plants bear new leaves, fresh grass, and flowers. It brings new life to our earth after cold winter. Spring is also called Basant. We celebrate the onset of spring with the festival of color, Holi. Summer season. Let's learn and understand about summer season. Summer season comes after the spring season. The sun shines very bright and hot. In the summer season, days are long and nights are short. Farmers harvest their crops. In this season, we prefer to wear cotton clothes. Yes, we love to eat ice creams and drink plenty of cold juices, isn't it? Yes. Now, children, let's learn about rainy season. Yes, children, let's learn and understand about rainy season. All right. See, children, monsoon brings people, yes, monsoon brings people's favorite season. Yes, the rainy season. The weather becomes cloudy, people carry a raincoat, umbrella, etc. to protect themselves from rain. Sometime, if there is heavy rain in any area, then there are chances of flood. We may see a rainbow after a shower. Now, children, let's understand about autumn season. Yes, this season comes after the monsoon season. The leaves of trees become dry and change to yellow, golden, orange, red, or brown color. Some trees shed all leaves. Yes. Now, children, which season is going on? Yes, it's a winter season. Winter season. Yes, children, winter season comes after autumn. We feel very cold in the season. Days are shorter and nights are long. People wear woolen clothes and use blankets to protect themselves from cold. Morning becomes, yes children, mornings become foggy. Yes, in some parts it snows during winter. So children, you must understand, yes, now you have understood. Yes, weather means a state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. Weather refers to day temperature, whereas season is a weather based subdivision of the year. One type of weather remains the same for many days is called season. Alright children, so read page number 101 and 102. Yes children, so that's all for today. Have a nice and wonderful day. Thank you.